I've got a belter of a stock to talk to you about today, guys. That is eyes stock. We are conducting eyes stock analysis. Second Sight Medical Products. This company recently had FDA approval on one of its products for blind people and helping them to see again. It's absolutely huge. It's gone up 89% today. That is on the back of a Thursday and Friday last week where it doubled again. This company has got phenomenal potential going forward. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please smash that like button. Consider subscribing to my channel and I'll catch you in there for the analysis. This is huge, guys. Hey guys, welcome into the video. Here we are looking at Second Sight Medical Products. Ticker is eyes stock. Now, the company has had a massive increase, 94% up today to $11.27 a share, $11.06 now, and that is on the back of serious gains on Thursday and Friday last week, where the company went from $1.43 a share through to $8.38, and then that has increased yet again today. The company is doing phenomenally well, or the share price is doing phenomenally well. Now let's have a look at just the reason why that is. Now the FDA has approved this company's product, a new and improved version of what they had going on before, but it is far better than it was, and the share price is now well over 300% up from where it was, 300 to 400% up. Essentially, what this system is, the Argus 2 is a tiny implant that goes behind the eye and is then combined with patient-worn camera glasses to help provide a form of vision that they otherwise would not have had. So that improves on quality of life for these people. They got the approval from the FDA, which is absolutely fantastic, and the potential of this is only just being realised by doctors, by patients and by investors alike. Company is doing great by the look of it, and that is going to be awesome going forward. So this is just a little bit more detail around the system. It's called the Argus 2 retinal prosthesis system, and it combines with a pair of glasses and camera that helps produce vision for the patient. It is a redesign of the previous system with an update that includes improvements to the device, including better ergonomics and a beefed up processor. When the news was announced on Friday, the stock took off basically, and that has continued today with massive interest from investors. At the time of writing, which was the 8th of March at 10:46 Eastern Time, 158 million shares of this company had changed hands, with volume of over 14 million shares, with investors taking to social media to share their amazement at just how much this share price has gone up. If we have a look at the company's website, you've got life in a new light. Imagine having the ability to feel more at ease in your social surroundings, enjoy increased mobility and independence, engage with your community and get back to your hobbies. What a service to be able to provide to people that have essentially got quite a bad disability. Going forward, they can actually get back to living some sort of normal life with some vision with some vision replaced. So they've got implants in over 350 individuals worldwide, and that is going to be growing all the time, and it is a protected product, so this company has the protection going forward and can get that out to even more people. They've got 20 years of research in the program, so they're very educated, expert at exactly what they do. So if we hop on over to the actual volume, what's going on at the moment, you can see that the share price went absolutely through the roof over the last couple of days. It's come off the boil a little bit, but it is still doing fantastically well. And then if we have a look at the buy ratings, there's one analyst on board with this one that rates it as a buy with a price target of $10, which it has currently hit. Which is absolutely fantastic for a company that has that share price target is probably going to get increased by further analysis when this company actually starts getting this out to even more people going forward. It's going to be absolutely huge. What a product to be able to offer to the medical world. the potential of this company to help people not just across the United States but the world and give them back at least some form of their vision is absolutely fantastic. With the funding in place, private healthcare insurance, this company could score huge revenue, and that is absolutely fantastic for shareholders and the company itself. With the improvements in the products, it's now ready to, it's been approved by the FDA, so it's now ready to start rolling that out properly and start generating significant revenue from that. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, guys. This company can go flying forwards, I do believe. If you have enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. That'd be absolutely amazing, and I'll see you in another investing episode. Catch you later.